What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. So you guys, today I am making another quick meal. Actually, this can be made in a crock pot or on the stove top, but it's still quick though. So I am making a simple queso, or cheese dip, nacho cheese, whatever you want to call it. But it has 3 ingredients. Yeah, 3 ingredients, and it's super simple. I got an email from a young girl who said that she is recently engaged and doesn't know how to cook, and she said she doesn't watch football, but her fiance is really into football, and she asked specifically for a cheese that she can use to make nachos. She did say that she wanted it to include meat, so I just thought it would be a great idea to show her how to make this recipe. She did not want me to say her name. I normally say who requested the recipe, but she doesn't want me to shout her out, so I'm just gonna make it for her. And shout out to you, girl, for sending me that email and requesting this. So if you want to learn how to make this super simple queso, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here is the ingredients for the cheese dip. You're gonna need 1 roll of Jimmy Dean sausage, 1 can of Rotel. If you want to get the big one or 2 of these, you can, but I like to have more cheese than the actual Rotel. So I'm going to use 2 cans of this Rico's Gourmet Nacho. And you guys, this is really good. I've tried this before. Normally, I would make it with Velveeta, but since we're talking about making something budget friendly, then I'm not going to go with the Velveeta for this recipe for her, because the Velveeta can get a little pricey. This one was probably about $5, and the big one is about maybe 6 or 7. I'll put the I'll put a little picture up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then this is optional, but I like how creamy it makes it. I just put a little bit of Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna get the sausage into this skillet over here. I already have it going, so I'm gonna get the sausage in here. And you guys, you can also make this with ground beef, but I just like the flavor that the sausage gives, so that is what I use. I just want to break this down some. You guys, I recently got this little chopper. I never had one before. I usually just use the back of my spatula, but I really like this, and I wish I would have got this a long time ago. Alright, you guys, so while this is going, I'm going to go ahead and get the cheese into the pot. And this pot is way too big. I was going to actually cook this in the crock pot, but I decided at the last minute I didn't want to do that. So I'm just going to put it in here. And I got 2 cans of it. Stir it up a little bit. This actually, you guys, this cheese sauce actually has better flavor than I would have ever thought that a canned nacho cheese would have. So I'm going to let this warm up for a little bit. I'm going to keep on working on this sausage, and then I will show you guys what's next. Alright, you guys, so this cheese sauce has warmed up, and now I'm going to add the can of Rotel, juice and all. And this one is the no salt added. I probably would have got the regular one if they had it, but I am trying to watch my salt intake, so I just went ahead and got that one. And like I said, you can add 2 cans or a big can of this if you want, but I like there to be more cheese in mine, so I just got the 1 can. I kind of wish I would have got the 2 cans now that I'm looking at it, but it's fine. So I'm going to just let this cook, just simmer a little bit, and then the sausage should be done, and we'll add the sausage. You guys, I almost forgot this. So you just want to add just like a spoon, like maybe a tablespoon, just a heaping spoonful of the cream cheese. It just makes it creamy. I just like how creamy it makes it. If you are very adventurous, you could add the whole thing, but I am just going to add a little bit to mine. Okay, you guys, so the sausage is ready, and now I am going to add it to the cheese. If you have a lot of oil on it, you can drain it off, and then you are going to mix it together. I've never tried this with ground turkey, but I'm sure it will be good with that too. And you guys, this is really it. I'm gonna let it cook together for like 5 minutes, and then that's it. Simple, simple. There you have it, you guys. My super simple queso. You guys, I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to eat this. Shout out to my subscriber. She wanted to remain anonymous, so I will not be saying her name, but you know who you are. Shout out to you. And if there's any other recipes, any other game day food that you would like me to make, just send me an email or DM me on Instagram. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Know that your time is so precious. Hope that you know I respect it. I really do feel your perspective. Missing the feeling, the taste of your nectar.